Hi everyone, welcome to Black Cat Kitchen. I hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to show you how to make a vegan meringue. This is perfect for anyone who doesn't eat eggs for whatever reason, whether they're vegan or they have allergies. Now I'm using a really special and slightly unusual ingredient, Aquafaba. Aquafaba is the liquid that comes out of the can of chickpeas. When chickpeas are cooked, they release their starches into the water, and that liquid becomes a binder, just like an egg white. You can use Aquafaba for both an egg white replacement and a whole egg replacement. If you're doing a whole egg, you'll use 3 tablespoons of Aquafaba per egg. For the egg whites, you'll just use 2. So let's get started. I need 6 egg whites for this recipe, so I'll be using 12 tablespoons of Aquafaba. You'll want to use a stand mixer or hand mixer for this because it really does take a lot of elbow grease. Let's give it a little whiskey whisk, starting on low and working our way to the highest speed. Once it starts to get a bit foamy, add in 3 teaspoons of salt and 1 teaspoon cream of tartar. This will help it firm up. Gradually add in 125 grams of granulated sugar. When it starts to look like a fluffy cloud, add in your vanilla. And here we've got perfectly glossy, stiff peaks. Now you can use this in any recipe that calls for egg whites or meringue. You can even add melted chocolate to it and it makes a gorgeous egg-free mousse. Hope you enjoy and see you next time.